What's up guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add music but to Discord. Now what I'm going to quickly do, I'm going to quickly create a new server. Here in your case you can use whatever. I'm going to create my own Discord server here, and I'm just going to call this one music, for example, right? And click on create. Now as you can see, I have the new server here, and this is my music server. Right, now once we do that, all we have to do is click the drop down on the upper left hand side or the upper right hand side of that new Discord server, and we want to go ahead and go to the app directory. Now you want to use a search on the upper right, and once you type that in, it's search, and this is the one right here we want to use. We want to click and add that server in. Now from here you just want to go ahead and select the server, which is in my case the music one, and scroll down, click and continue, then ensure everything is selected, and then click and authorize. Now all we have to do is just select human there, and then I'm going to just quickly go to music. So now it's going to take me right over to that specific channel, and you will see down that it says that green button is there. Right, now how does it work? Now what you want to do, you want to just first go ahead and quickly select, for example, the voice channel. By clicking on it, it's going to go ahead and give you pop-up, so you want to confirm joining that, and you want to go ahead and now use the box here to just simple type in /play, and you want to go ahead and select it, and from here just go ahead and just start typing the song name that you want. So that can be whatever. I can just say, for example, 21 question 50 cent, and once you go ahead and search for this, what it's going to do is simply find the song. Once I hit enter, it search for the song, and you are able to click and play it from there. But that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.